Welcome to the class, students. Today we are continuing the same concept, that is SDR, STDR, standardized death rate, and this type of problem for 10 marks. Okay, this is the problem they have given. Just see the problem. It is age in years, standard population they have given, and the village A and village B. Village A population they have given, and similarly for village B population it is 4,000, 9,000, 7,000, 3,000, and deaths are 72, 54, 98, 129. So this is the data they have given. For this data we have to calculate standardized death rate, and we have to compare, and we have to write the commit for this. Before starting this, the first step is we have to find the ASDR for town A, sorry, village A and village B. Okay, first find out ASDR for village A. ASDR. We have two, that is for town A, sorry, village A it is A, and for village B it is B. ASDR for village A, this is village A and this is village B. Okay, for village A ASDR we call it as capital A, and village B ASDR we call it as capital B. Before that, to find out ASDR we have to write the formula. So ASDR formula, ASDR is nothing but age specific death rate. ASDR is nothing but age specific death rate. Write down the formula for this. Number of deaths in a age group of 0 to 20, the first age group in this problem, and total number of population in that age group, that is 0 to 20, and it should be multiplied by 1000. After writing this formula, first we have to show one calculation, that is for village A, death and population, it is 128 divided by 8000 into 1000, and this is 16. So this is ASDR for 0 to 20. This is how we have to calculate ASDR for each and every age group. So after finding this, I'll write down the ASDR for town A, for village A it is 16, 5, 14, 63. Similarly, we have to find ASDR for village B. To calculate for village B, the same procedure and the same formula we are using, that is death divided by population, that is 72 divided by 4000, and the procedure will be continued for all the age group, that is 18, 6, 14 and 43. After finding ASDRs for two villages, the next step is we have to calculate STDR for town A, it is, sorry, village A, it is summation of PA divided by summation P, and STDR of B, village B, is summation of PB divided by summation P. See, in the STDR formula, we will not multiply by 1000, because while we are calculating ASDR, already we have multiplied by the 1000, and for every 1000 we have calculated the ASDR. So no need to multiply 1000 again while we are calculating the ASDR. Now the next step is we have to calculate PA. P is standard population. Standard population we call it as P, and ASDR of village A it is A, and for village B it is B. Take the product of that P into A, P into B. Okay, PA is standard population and ASDR of A, PB means standard population and ASDR of B. Take the product of these two, and I'll write the values for this. This 49,945.00. Next 36,000, 21,000, 64500. See here. Now next step is we have to take the summation of PA and summation of PB and summation of P. Summation of P is the standard population, it is 1 lakh, and here this is 19,05000 and this summation is 1635,000. Now you substitute both the values, that is summation of PA and PB along with that summation P, that is standard population, so that you will get the standardized death rate. It is 1905000 divided by 1 lakh. This is 19.05. That is STDR of village A. Similarly, this is 1635000 divided by 1 lakh. This is 16.35. That is STDR of town B. It is 75. Not 35, it is 75. This is for B and this is for town A. After finding this, the last step is we have to write the commit. Commit means we have to compare both the village standardized death rate, that is STDR of A and B, in which village the death rate is less. That village we call it as more healthier. Okay, by comparing these two, STDR of town village A is greater than STDR of village B. Therefore, village B is more healthier. Village B is more healthier. This is our commit part. Okay, this will be for 10 marks for your annual examination. Next one. Next problem, same thing, village A and village B. Here the age group will be different. Below 10, 10 to 15, 10 to 35, 35 to 65, 65 and above. And the standard population 6,000, 17,000, 13,000, 4,000. Next, village A and village B. Same columns we are repeating. So there is no changes in any columns. The values are different. Again, this is village A only. That's okay. This is the problem. This is another problem they have given. Here the age groups and standard population, village A, village B, population death are different, but our procedure is same. The first step is we have to calculate the ASDR for the given data. To calculate ASDR, this is the formula we are using, that is number of deaths in the age group. Here for particular problem, the age group is below 10. Below 10. Here also below 10, and the formula is same. The first step is we have to calculate ASDR for below 10, that is less than 10. The values are, for village A I am calculating, it is 60 divided by 4000. That is 60 divided by 4000 into 1000, and the value is 15. So the first ASDR value for village A, we call it as A, it is 15. Similarly, we have to calculate for village B also. So after showing one calculation and the formula, I am writing the values here. It is 5, 10, 40, and for B it is 5, 9 and 50. While we are calculating ASDR, the procedure is same, okay, death divided by population into 1000, but the specific age we have to mention. And next step is we have to calculate PA and PB, that is standard population into A and standard population into B. Then we have to take the summation of standard population, PA and PB. I am writing the values of these things. Take down the summation of PA, it is 465000, summation of PB 462000, and summation of P, that is summation P is 40,000. Next, STDR formula. STDR of town A, or sorry, village A is summation of PA divided by summation P, and STDR of our town B is summation of PB divided by summation P. Substitute the values. It is 465000 divided by 40,000, and the value is 11.62. That is STDR of A, village A. Next, this is 462000 divided by 40,000, and this is 11.55, that is STDR of B, village B. We just compare these two, it is 11.62 and 11.55. So again here in village B, the death rate is less than village A. Even though it is in point difference, we have to consider that. So that STDR of A, village A is greater than STDR of village B. Therefore, village B is more healthier, or we can write the death rate is less compared to village A. So this type of problem is very important for your examination. You may get this type of problem for 10 marks, okay, and it's very important concept. Please follow this one. Thank you.